Hello and welcome guys. In this short and basic video, we will learn how to show folder merge conflicts on Windows 11. So guys, just you have to click on Start. Now search File Explorer. Then open File Explorer. In this top bar, you will see these three dots. Click on it. Now left click on Options. Now here, second option and tab View. Click on it. Now here guys, you will see a settings. So just find out here this option, hide folder merge conflicts. So unselect this box. Just guys, you have to deselect this box, then apply, then click on OK. Now close it and restart. So this is the way guys you can show folder merge conflicts on Windows 11. Thanks for watching and please comment this video useful for you or not, and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.